What's up guys, Bronze Tech back with a new follow-up review. This will be for the Zephyrus G15, the 2021 version, and this will be after a month long of using this device and just tinkering around with software updates and whatnot. There are a few things that I really liked and there are a few things that I didn't want to, try to figure out in troubleshooting. So the first thing that I really liked about this laptop was the battery life. Oh my gosh, I got 10 hours. When I was using it docked to my TV, that allowed me to get 10 hours of battery life because the panel was closed. But also the 10 hours of battery life also allowed me to really just not care about being away from the plug most of the day. I could basically take this laptop and just work my full-time job. Also, another pro about this laptop, I know I mentioned the high-pitched noises in my last video, but as far as the fan noise is concerned, I got used to it. It's actually not bothersome at all. As long as you wear headphones, you definitely will not hear anything. So another thing I really liked about this laptop was that after taking it around and realizing that the small footprint, this actually has one of the smallest footprints of a laptop, I think that that's totally worth it, paying an extra few hundred dollars for, as far as being a portable laptop that you take around and that you want to game. So I know that the Razer Blade also has a small footprint of a laptop. This is probably the next smallest footprint laptop that I've ever tested, and there's not much more I can say about that. Yeah, just having a smaller device overall with still retaining the 15-inch screen, there's nothing that could beat that. Think about all the clunky gaming laptops that you might have used in the past. Like, I don't know anyone who wouldn't want a slim and smaller footprint of a device. So another thing I also really love is the keyboard. After typing on it and working with it for about a month now, you realize it's just something that's so smooth and buttery. A keyboard is understated when it comes to choosing something that you really use every day. I use it for my full-time job every day, and a keyboard is very important to me. So think about that. Think about the key travel too as well. Think about if you want it thin or if you want it thicker. It's up to you. Everyone's preferences are different. So let's dive into the cons. One thing that really frustrates me about this laptop, and it's not really a deal breaker, but it's the variable GPU scores and the variable wattages that you get if you were to go from straight to silent mode to performance mode. So for example, I might be working throughout the day on silent mode and using it for productivity, but then once I switch over to performance mode or turbo mode, that's where I come into issues. Then I measured the time spy score and I got 8,000 points, which is 1,000 points below than what you expect from this laptop for the RTX 3070. And then another time I even got as low as 6,500 points or something like that on Time Spy. That just made me think like there's something that must not be activating from the Asus software that allows it to reach full wattage. So just restarting it eliminates the problems. I know it's kind of annoying, but that's the solution that we still have to this day. Yeah, it's just something you have to do. You have to restart it. So first, leave it on turbo mode, then restart it. Once you turn it back on, you're going to be able to get full performance of the RTX 3070. So another issue is the keyboard blinking. And yes, I know a lot of people have commented about this and still have it, so it's still a persistent issue to this day. And I know softwares could fix it. So Asus, come on, what are you doing? Fix the issue. I don't know, some people really hate it. I don't leave my laptop on standby very much. I just turn it off usually when I'm not using it. Save energy, save the trees. So alright, so the third con about this laptop, it does get really high CPU temperatures, and that depends on how well your laptop was pasted during the manufacturing process. So this is using liquid metal, and I see that other people on Reddit, they're reporting variable scores. So after you update to the latest AMD drivers, you're going to be able to experience better temperatures. So I went from around to 91 degrees Celsius on Call of Duty. Then I went down to about 85 degrees Celsius and a little bit around higher there. But 5 degrees difference is a lot for me because I know that these AMD Ryzen 5000 series CPUs, they do throttle a lot. So make sure you update your drivers, guys. That's important before testing out and doing benchmarks. Still, even like 87 degrees at the most is a little bit hot for me, but for what you're getting in a thin and light chassis, you can't complain, right? Also, it is important to raise the rear of the laptop so that you can get more airflow. I know that this does have the ergo lift hinges, but if you raise the laptop more, it's going to get better temperatures. That's just the case. That's what I found. That's what definitely helps with temperatures. Alright, and the fourth con about this laptop is its availability. Yes guys, this has been sold out the past 2 weeks. You can't get it anywhere. And it's such a shame to see laptops being in high demand as well. Too much in demand to the point where people can't get their hands on it. So that's why I still recommend you guys check out CyberPower PC, because they always have things in stock. Check out electronics. I'm actually getting my CyberPower PC RTX 3060 laptop tomorrow. So living in Los Angeles has its perks, but I'm sure that you guys who are interested in RTX laptops, definitely check out their stock and see if they can deliver it to you. You'll probably get it in a week or so. But yeah, that's pretty much it. I hope you guys enjoyed this follow-up of the Zephyrus G15, which I think is the laptop of the year so far. Keep an eye out for more laptop reviews and other tech reviews, and I will see you guys in the next one. Availability.